what are the top three recommendations you can make to any of the listeners to create and maintain a clean data environment in Marketo?
Number one is look at what the bad data is stopping you doing. And so an example would be, we can't target on industry because bad data, right? So if that's stopping you being able to have a conversation in a different way, or to be able to, it's stifling your creativity, is look at what the bad data is stopping you doing, and then look to fix that specific part. So if it is, you have an idea around industry, if you have an idea around how many times someone has logged into the piece of software that you're, try and fix the specific thing that's going to enable you to do that, or have more ideas. So look at it from that lens. Number two on the recommendations would be opportunities to standardize and have automated processes to standardize. So you could literally go on Upwork now and you could hire 20 people for under $5 or something to just literally have a look at a list for you if you wanted to. That's still going to be way cheaper than working it out yourself to come up with a mechanism to which you can standardize and put in those rules in place. So standardize where you can, and if you can't, because there's so many different answers, you can still get people relatively cheap to do that. And that sometimes is a good option, right? Because you'll look at that and go, there's too many things here, I can't do all this myself. You just outsource it, right? Like, who cares? Everyone benefits. So standardize where possible is my second thing. And the third one is work out why we need to keep that data. Because often what muddies the waters a little bit is that you go, okay, we've got this data set and it's all muddled. Now, there's a good chance that that's going to keep getting muddled with other data sets and starts to get confusing, particularly when you go into uploads or integrations with different things. You're just pushing in more data that you're going to have to think about. And that, as a finer point there, the thinking about it is like is a key point in terms of, I don't want to have to think about bad data, so why would I push it into my database? So think about what data you actually need and keep that.